Good day, everyone. Today we are going to have another reading lesson to improve our reading fluency and reading comprehension. So, are you ready? Let us start. I want you to read it with me. The bib. Bim Bim has a bib. It is from Tina. The bib is red. It is pretty, but the bib is big. Will this fit? I will get a pin, says Dad. There, it fits. Okay, let's read it together again. The bib. Bim Bim has a bib. It is from Tina. The bib is red. It is pretty, but the bib is big. Will this fit? I will get a pin, says Dad. There, it fits. Okay, this time I want you to read it alone. Okay, very good. And now let's move on to some comprehension questions. Okay, let's have number 1. Who has a bib? Who has a bib? Is it A, Din Din, B, Bim Bim, or C, Tin Tin? Is it A, Din Din, B, Bim Bim, C, Tin Tin? Okay, very good. The answer is Bim Bim. Okay, number 2. Let's read together. What is the color of the bib? What is the color of the bib? Is it A, red, B, pink, or C, yellow? Is it A, red, B, pink, or C, yellow? Okay, very good. The bib is red. Now let's move on to number 3. Who gave the bib? Who gave the bib? Is it A, Dad, B, Mama, or C, Tina? Is it A, Dad, B, Mama, or C, Tina? Okay, very good, Tina. Next, number 4. What is the problem with the bib? What is the problem with the bib? Is it A, it is big, B, it is wet, or C, it has a rip? Is it A, it is big, B, it is wet, or C, it has a rip? Okay, very good. It is big. Number 5. Okay, number 5. How did the bib fit Bim Bim? How did the bib fit Bim Bim? Is it A, Mama cut it, B, Grandma fixed it, or C, Dad put a pin in it? Is it A, Mama cut it, B, Grandma fixed it, or C, Dad put a pin in it? Okay, very good. Letter C. Dad put a pin on it. Okay, I hope that you learned from today's reading lesson. Once again, this is Teacher Yumi saying thank you and God bless. And please don't forget to subscribe and click the bell button so that you'll get notified for my next video upload. And please follow me also on my FB page, Reading Materials and Video Lesson by Teacher Yumi. There you can get instructional materials, reading materials that are very essential for learning. And also, please watch my other reading lesson about reading tutorial, reading fluency, and reading comprehension. Once again, thank you and God bless.